Is your Telegram call stuck on connecting? Don't worry, I've got you covered. This usually happens because of network issues or a glitch in the app, but with my simple solutions, you can fix it in no time. Let's dive right in. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection. Try switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the connection is working properly. You can also search something in your browser, like open Chrome, and search anything you want. If the result takes time to show up, it means your internet connection is not stable. Wait for a while for your connection to restore, or you can contact your internet service provider for help. Solution 2. Clear Telegram cache and give permissions. Tap and hold the Telegram app icon. Tap the I button or app info. Now find the option called Storage. Open it. Tap Clear Cache and confirm the action. After clearing the cache, go back. Find permissions and open it. In here, make sure you have access to your microphone, then your camera for video calls, and other permissions needed to make calls. After that is done, try calling again and see if it works. Solution 3. Update Telegram. Go to Play Store, search Telegram, and ensure you have the latest version of your app. If you have any updates available, then update the app. If there aren't any updates, uninstall the Telegram from your device and reinstall it. Then log back in and try making a call again. You should be able to make this call like you did before after this. One extra tip: if you're using a VPN or proxy, try disabling it as it might affect your call connection. That's all for fixing the call stuck at connecting issue on Telegram. If this video was helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. If you're still having trouble, drop a comment and I'll do my best to assist you.